Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so June boxes are going out for the Yes Oh Yes subscription box. So we do have full spoilers. I could show you one of the box variations right here. And let's just go over everything that you're going to be getting. You will be getting 6 items in the June Yes Oh Yes box, and there was only one more spoiler that we didn't have revealed yet. So first of all, you know the More Cosmetics Dream Series 18 pan palettes. You will get one out of these 4, which is Dreamscape, Daydreams, Wanderlust, or Stargazing. You will get one of those palettes. Also the Kaylin Line Fix Gel Liner, and then the Baked Highlighter, which is Dirty Little Secrets. And again, I'm not sure about the variations because I've only got one variation box so far. Next, we have the Appeal Cosmetics. This is the Duo Action Liner Gel. This can be for lips or eyes. And again, in this box, it's showing the 4-screen color. So again, I'm not sure about color variations on that one. And then, of course, you know you will be getting one out of this set of Sourmay Cosmetics brushes. And then the last thing, and this is the one that we just found out because boxes are going out, is the Bella Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. Now again guys, there are going to be different variations of this box. The color variations, so I'm not exactly sure about color variations, but this is the full spoilers to the June Yes Oh Yes box. And again, they will be linked below. I do have a code for you to use. It is Self-Taught Beauty. That will be in all caps. If you do want to check out Yes Oh Yes, that will get you 10% off your first box. So again, Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to go do that. And as always, guys, I will keep you updated with even more spoilers as soon as they come out. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.